Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn about jump statements in Java. There are two jump statements. One is break and other one is continue. So first we'll see what is break statement. In Java, break is a statement that is used to break current execution flow of the program. We can use break statement inside loop, switch case, etc. If break is used inside loop, then it will terminate the loop. If break is used inside the innermost loop, then break will terminate the innermost loop only and execution will start from the outer loop. If break is used in switch case, then it will terminate the execution after the matched case. So let's see with an example. Let's go to our Eclipse and we will create a new class and we'll name it as break example. Finish. What we'll do here, we'll take a for loop. For we'll write int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 10, then I plus plus, then what we'll tell, again we'll write one if condition, if I equal to 5, then what we'll tell, we'll tell break. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll print I. Okay, so what will be the output here? We are using break inside the loop, so the loop will terminate when the value is 5 here. Let's see what is the output, then I will explain. So you are saying 1 2 3 4. So what happened here? First we have used a for loop, int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 10, 1 is less than equal to 10, I plus plus, then we are telling if I is equal to 5, 1 is not equal to 5, then this loop didn't execute, it came here, it printed I, again it went up, I value equal to 2, this loop 2 is equal to 5, this condition 2 is equal to 5, no, so it printed 2, then it went up, I is equal to 3, 3 is less than equal to 10, came inside, 3 is not equal to 5, condition failed, it came here, 3 printed, again went off, 4 is less than equal to 10, condition satisfied, came inside, 4 is not equal to 5, so this condition didn't satisfy, so it printed 4, again it went up, now I value equal to 5, came inside, 5 is equal to 5, so it break here, the loop is broken here, the loop will terminated and came outside, so the loop will not execute again and again, the for loop is terminated here, that's why we got the result as 1 2 3 4. For example, if we will tell the if I equal to 8, then what will happen? It printed till 7 because when it became 8, loop broken and it came outside, so it didn't print 9 and 10, it came up to 7. Okay, we can see similar example in while loop also. We can use break statement in the while loop, but before to that, let's see a continue statement. If in the same example we'll use continue statement, what will happen? First, let's understand what is continue statement. In Java, the continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of the loop. It jumps to the next iteration of the loop immediately. We can use the continue statement with for loop, while loop and do while loop. So let's see with the same example. For I'll put the value as 5 and let me execute with the break statement first. It printed 1 2 3 4. In place of break, I'll give continue. Let's see what is happening. Let me run it. what I got? 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10. So what it did, it doesn't print 5 because at the fifth iteration continue statement skips the iteration. That's why print statement doesn't execute. So let's see how it happened. So when I is equal to 1 and I 1 is less than equal to 10, and I plus plus, then what happened? If I is equal to 5, no, then we printed 1. Similarly 2 3 4, when it became 5, when I is equal to 5, so when the condition matched, and then we have the continue statement. So what we are telling, continue statement will skip the current iteration. So it skipped this current iteration. Okay, so 5 it skipped, and but loop didn't break. In the break statement the loop will break there itself, but in the continue statement it will skip one iteration. So it again went up. For 5 it didn't print, but it went up. 6, for 6 it printed 7 8 9. Similarly for till 10 it got printed. So that's how it is different, our break and continue. So you have to keep in mind what is break and what is continue and use as per that. Okay, so let me explain you with a while loop. We'll use a while loop and we'll use both break and continue. So let me delete this part of the code, and what we'll do, int I is equal to 1, then what we'll write, while I is less than equal to 10, then we'll write a if condition. If I is equal to 5, then what we'll do, we'll tell I plus plus and we will break. Okay, then what we'll do, here we'll write our sysout and we'll print I, and finally we'll do I plus plus. Okay, let's execute the program. See, again it is printing same 1 2 3 4. Okay, what we are doing, we are using the while loop here. While I is less than equal to 10, and then we are giving a condition I is equal to 5. When I is equal to 5, we are telling break. Okay, so what happened here, when I is, while I is less than equal to 10, I value equal to 1, so 1 is less than equal to 10, condition satisfied, then it came here. I is equal to 5, if 1 is equal to 5, no, so it didn't execute this part, it came here. So I got printed, again I plus plus 2, 2 is less than equal to 10, and here 2 is not equal to 5, so it printed 2. Similarly 3 4, but when it came for 5, 5 is less than equal to 10, yes, condition satisfied, and if condition is equal to 5 is equal to 5, okay, then we have the break statement. So the loop got terminated here and it didn't print 5 onwards. Okay, but if we'll put continue, let's see what is happening. Let's execute it. See, it skipped 5, it skipped the current person, and it printed 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10. Similarly, how I have shown previously, right, it skipped the current version, the current iteration, and printed all other things. So that's how this break and continue works. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.